Okay, so now you understand how you have installed your Postman desktop version and then how you are able to log in. So if you just double click here, then automatically your Postman window will open on the desktop and you will be able to perform your operations. So I don't want to do this now and I want to come out of it. So go to File and then click on Exit. And now I wanted to log into the web version. So what I'm going to do is go to postman.com and then you will see an option here, sign in. So since we have already created our account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in. And if at all you are doing first time and you wanted to create the web, you click on sign up for free and you provide whatever the email ID you are using and give username, and it should be unique. If at all it is already created, it will tell you, and you have to give your password. It will recommend some password. If at all you wanted to choose your own, click on that button and you choose your own password and then click on create free account. Or else if at all you wanted to do with your existing Gmail account, then click on sign up with Google. Okay, there are various ways to create your account. For now what I'll do, I'll go back and log in with my existing ID which I have already created. So sign in, and then this is my existing email ID, rkpone@gmail.com, and then I've given my password and click on sign in button. So once you click on sign in button, the same way whatever you have seen on the desktop version, you will see the same kind of user interface for your Postman. See here, you will have home, workspaces, API network, and you if you click on this workspace, then you will be see the same kind of layout where you regularly work on the Postman. Okay, so this is where you will do your work in the Postman tool. So let me show you the desktop also. So if you see, this is your web application, and if you click this one, so you'll be also having the same kind of interface on the desktop also. Okay, see here, so this is my desktop: collections, environments, flows, history, and collections, environments, flows, history. So the same kind of options are available in your both and your web version also. So what I'm going to say is, first, if at all you want to work with either desktop or your web version, one place, if you do an activity here, then automatically that will reflect in the other area also. Let us say what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my uh, workspace name as API testing. Okay, and then hit this, and then you go back and then refresh this page. See what is going to happen. So if you go to see in your web version also, whatever the change you make to the desktop version, the same thing is happening. See, this is my desktop version, API testing, and the same thing got reflected in your web version also, because you are making use of the same account. And if at all I do something in the web version, let us say I've gone here and then I'm going to change it here. Only I'll say API demo and then enter. See here, automatically it is changed in the desktop version also. This is what I am talking about. So you no need to learn both the versions. If you know one of the interface, that is either desktop version or web version, then automatically you will be comfortable with both the versions. So most of the organizations will be using your desktop version. If at all somebody uses your web version also, you can make use of it. So let us say you are creating something here. Okay, so let's say I will create something on the I've clicked on this workspace. This we call it as workspace, and I will explain you what are all these things later. Okay, so let's go here and see there is another create workspace, and then I'm going to use blank workspace, and then Let me maximize this. Okay, and then I'll click on the blank workspace and then click on next button, and then I'm going to give my name of the workspace. Let's say I'm going to give as POC. POC stands for proof of concept. POC API. This is the name I have given. And if you see, there are four options. Only me, that means you only will be able to see only invited team members. That means if at all you wanted to share with your team members, you are going to make use of this. Everyone from your team, that means irrespective of the access, whoever is aligned to your project, those people will be able to see. Only invited partners and team members, that means there are specific accesses you will provide, like how you share your photos from Google Drive, right? So the same manner you can provide you can add your people and then provide the access. Anyone in the internet, that means it's a public one. That means anybody, whoever has that particular workspace name, then automatically they'll be able to access it. So generally, we will not touch upon all of these. First, we will go and see for only me and then click on create button. And see now you have POC API also, and go back and see here in your workspace you will have POC API also. That means there are two workspaces created in this particular Postman. So your work will get started with creation of the workspace. What is workspace? What is collection? How are you going to test the APIs? We will see in the next video.